Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you run a website or blog on WordPress in 2026, using Claude can turn your site into a fully AI-powered content creation and automation system. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Claude with WordPress in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, you have to know that we have multiple methods. Okay, so we have the first method, which is the manual AI content workflow, which is the simplest one. Okay, it's best for beginners and bloggers. We have the method number 2, which is about use WordPress AI plugins. And we have the method number 3, which is automation tools. This is the most popular one. Okay, so let's stick to the third method, which is automation tools. So use automation platforms like Zapier, Make, workflow automation tools. So the first step, connect WordPress to automation tool. Inside automation platform, connect WordPress site, grant publishing permissions, choose triggers, common triggers, for example, new idea in spreadsheet, new Notion entry, form submission, scheduled automation. So triggers starts the AI workflow. Connect Claude API. Okay, so you will need Claude API key, add Claude as AI processing step, authorize connection, Claude generate content. Okay, then build AI publishing workflow. So example automation need new topic added to spreadsheet. Claude generates blog post automatically created in WordPress draft. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.